Welcome back to Lunch of the Markets after the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday. I think this year is certainly one of celebration for the efforts. Whether you like our president or not, the fact that it's even possible for him to be president, we owe to Martin Luther King. It's much better than arguing over whether he should be liberal or conservative rather than black or white. Certainly better off now than we were decades ago. Speaking of liberal versus conservative, we're trying to see if we can't get results for you from the Massachusetts special election. That'll be huge for both markets and politics. Looking forward to tonight, as we believe many market and political participants will be gathered around the TV waiting for the results. I know we'll be staying up late until we know. So, what can you do today? Jinpan International Limited, symbol JST, is down from its very recent 52-week high of $53, basically down $10 from January 6th. We think it's probably safe today to start scaling in for a bounce back up to that $53 mark. Jinpan is a Motley Fool favorite. Love them or leave them, it's important to know how they feel as they represent a community of millions of individual investors. The company trades with a 12 PE, very reasonable, not lofty valuations at all. Just know that the forward PE is also 12. So you're going to need to have an upside earnings surprise to get the PE to move. So you're looking for more growth from them in order to warrant a 15 PE or higher that gets you to a higher price. At least you know that the stock is fairly valued here. $4.75 a share in cash with decent free cash flow, $11 million, with margins around 18% for both profit and operating margins. Jinpan does design and manufacturing of cast resin transformers for voltage distribution equipment in China. It does do some power distribution equipment like switchgears and unit substations as well. So look at JST down big from its recent high just 2 weeks ago. Staying in China, CPBY at a secondary price of $6.15 looks like your level to buy on China Information Security Technology. TTMI, they make printed circuit boards. We've covered them before as a way to play the guts of the aerospace and defense market ID. Down today in a good-looking tape, and it's also below our buy target, so you can get long or add to TTMI here. Finally, if you grab Marathon Oil, symbol MRO, under $32, we like that level. You'll get a 3% dividend, better than your CD, as well as about 10% upside to get this to the 52-week high of $35.71. Chevron is shutting down some of its refining capacity, meaning that if we see the big players walk away from the tough business of refining, companies like Marathon that are left in the consolidated space will have better refining margins and be the beneficiary of fewer players in that space. Take a look at Marathon Oil on that Chevron announcement still hanging around our buy target here under $32 a share. Have a great day, and don't forget to visit magnumopusfinancial.com. We're constantly making the website better for you. To hear your stock on Lunch at the Markets, just mention us on Twitter with your stock ticker symbol preceded by a $sign. If you've missed any of the past segments for Lunch at the Markets, be sure to check them out on the MRO Financial YouTube channel, where you can find all of the past segments. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you guys tomorrow.